This delectable dessert is made with moong dal, jaggery, and coconut. It's garnished with nuts and raisins. Rinse 3/4 of a cup of moong dal a few times and then soak it in water for at least an hour. In a pan, heat up some ghee and add in half a cup each of cashews and raisins. Once the cashews are golden brown and the raisins have plumped up, remove it and keep it aside. Next, add in 1 cup of grated coconut. Add a bit more ghee and add 3 to 4 crushed cardamoms. Roast the coconut till it's a light golden brown. If you're using frozen coconut like I am, it will take a bit longer for the moisture to evaporate. Remove this and keep it aside. Next, I'm going to add in 1 cup of jaggery. You can also substitute brown sugar. Add a 1/4 cup of water and allow the jaggery to dissolve and keep it aside. Now I'm going to pressure cook the dal. In my pressure cooker, I'm going to add all of the dal that I soaked with the soaking liquid, and I'm going to pressure cook this for 10 minutes. Once the dal is cooked, open the lid and press the dal with the back of a spoon. Now I'm going to strain the jaggery into the dal. It's important to strain it to remove all of the sediment. Mix this in and allow it to come to the boil. Now I'm going to add in the coconut and cardamom that I reserved. To thin this out, add in half a cup of coconut milk. I like to reserve the cashews and raisins to garnish when I serve. You can eat this hot or cold. Enjoy.